How to change your password on Quora app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change your password on Quora app easy and fast in less than 1 minute. So all what you have to do is go to Quora. Now this is the home page as you can see right here. Now go to the top corner right here, click on your profile. Now click on settings down here, and here you go. Now right here, just go to the account option, the first one, and here you go. Now you will find the option of change password. Click on it and you will be able to change your password easy and fast in less than 1 minute. So if this video was helpful for you, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.